Well, as you see now, we got the wheel back assembled, faces back on, lips on, back barrels on, and we both the back on. So now, you see there's a little gap in between, right? What I gotta do is, I gotta make sure this gap is sealed, because if it's not sealed, this is where it'll leak from. So again, I grab my caulking gun. And start filling in that gap. It's okay if you do a little mess up first, because what you do afterwards is you throw, put your finger in it, and your finger will finish it all off. And as you start filling in, you start moving the rim. If you want, you can stop it at halfway, right? And again, make sure you got gloves on, because this is a pain in the ass to take off. Grab your finger, you're going to spread it on. And as you see, I'm creating a seal. This got an old chunk there, it's not good. You gotta make sure it is fresh. And as you see, we got a seal going on now. And that's all done by your finger. Now this stuff usually takes 24 hours to dry. So again, I already did half of the rim. Keep on until you do the whole wheel. Now, again, we go back to that stage. You stop right there. Grab your finger. And then when it dries out, you pass the blade and you clean all the excess out. And that's it. Let it dry. After you let it dry, again, you come with a blade and you clean the excess out, but now you got your wheel sealed. Now after like an hour or two, once this dries up, we mount the tire, we balance, wheel's done. And ladies and gentlemen, these rims are so expensive. One-piece wheels, $250 a rim, 300 bucks. Multi-piece, $13.50 a wheel. And that's without tires. For more information, check out Julio or Vito at vitosshop.com.